Okay, now here we have another question that is close to the significant figure, because all these questions they are about approximation. Approximation. You can approximate a number to a particular significant figure. You can approximate a number to a particular decimal place, to a particular nearest whole number, or any other form. So this one now is different from the previous one. So they said correct this to two decimal place. This one is simple, in fact simpler than the other one. So what did they ask us to do? They said correct 100.0157 to two decimal place. Now the numbers that you are considering, they are the numbers that are after the decimal point. Yes. So you write it out. You have 100 point. Then what are the numbers here? 0, 1. These are the first two numbers. You know they said two decimal place. So two numbers after the decimal point. Those are the two numbers you are considering. So what do? You say 1, 2. Now what is the next number here? The next number is 5. Now when you are rounding off numbers in approximation, there are two ways you can round off. So you can either round up to 1 or round down to 0. Now, there are some numbers that you can round up to 1, starting from 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are numbers that you can round up to form 1. But these other ones from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you round them down to 0. You round these ones down to 0. So the next number now you are going to consider is, which is 5. Now after this 1, 2, you consider the next number 5. Now the next number, where does it fall? Here or here? It falls here. And when something falls here, it means that you are rounding up to 1. Now you turn this 5 to 1, and you add it to the next number here, which is this one. So 1 plus 1, that is what? That is 2. So our answer is now going to be 1 plus 1. That is you add this to this one like this. So you now have 100.02. This is our answer in two decimal place. It is very, very simple. You can see that we only consider the decimal point, because they said to two decimal place. It is different from the other one that we solved. Ciao.